Are you spending hours every night planning your lessons? Does searching for creative activities and resources feel like a second full-time job? Say goodbye to the old way of teaching, and hello to Smart Planner AI, your intelligent companion in the classroom. With just one click, our AI designs comprehensive lesson plans tailored to any curriculum worldwide, ensuring every student's needs are met. But that's not all. Instantly generate interactive worksheets, creative flashcards, and even ready-to-use presentations in seconds. In our brand new Beta 2 release, we've introduced the Smart Timetable. Organize your week, add tasks, and enjoy seamless cloud synchronization from any device. With smart notifications, you'll never miss a beat. Focus on teaching. Let us handle the organization. Join thousands of educators and choose the plan that fits your needs.